Hi guys, welcome to my channel Adanna TV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Nigeria recipe, which is a Nigeria rice and beans jollof. So I'm going to walk you through the ingredients I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using rice, beans, also vegetable oil. We're also going to need meat of your choice, but I'm going to be using turkey today. Your blended tomatoes, your onion, your blended pepper. You're also going to need your ginger and nutmeg, which is already blended, your thyme, your curry, and as well as your salt and your seasoning of your choice. So guys, before we continue with this video, I would like to remind you to please hit the subscribe button, to like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about the video in the comment section. So thank you guys. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to parboil your beans, place them in the pot and parboil it. After doing that, the next thing you need to do is to boil your meat as well. Like I said, you can use any meat of your choice, but I'm going to be using turkey today. Place them in the pot and add your spice. You can add your curry like I'm doing now, add your thyme, your blended nutmeg and ginger, and as well as your onions, and don't forget to add your salt. So you want to be careful with the portion you put. You have to at least try to put the right portion so that it will not be too much for the meat. So after doing that, you need to stir so that the spice can blend. Then you place it on the gas. Wow, so guys, you can see the meat is boiling. We are going to make sure that the meat is properly cooked before we place them into the oven. Okay guys, this is it. Now is the right time to place them in the oven. You can see it's properly cooked. Yeah, so guys, we are going to set aside the meat stock because we are going to need it for the rice and beans jollof. So guys, don't forget to set your oven properly. So I'll be using the timer to time my meat while I grill it. So once your beans is half cooked, the next thing you're going to do is to pour the old water away and place them in a new one. So after changing the water, the next thing you need to do is to pour your rice in the beans and mix them together and then place it on the gas. So guys, remember I placed my turkey in the oven, so it's time for us to change it to the other side after like 15 minutes. Okay, now it's time for us to wash the rice and the beans and keep it aside while we make the stew for the rice and beans jollof rice. You pour a generous amount of vegetable oil in the pot, leave it for some time for it to heat up. Then you add your onion. After doing that, you stir for some time, maybe just for a few seconds. Then you add your blended tomato. After adding your blended tomatoes, you stir. Then you can add your blended pepper. You can add any amount of pepper you want, depend on your choice. So once you see that the water in the tomatoes and pepper is getting dry, so the next thing you need to do is to add your spice to the tomatoes and pepper. So guys, you don't want to add too much because remember we use the same spice to boil the meat and we are going to use the meat stock. After adding that, you stir carefully. Okay guys, our grilled turkey is ready now. You can see how beautiful and delicious it looks. So now it's time for us to add our meat stock to the tomatoes. So guys, I added a little bit of water to the tomatoes because it was too thick. So after doing that, we are going to allow it to boil because we want all our ingredients to blend together. So we are going to give it time to boil. So once it's boiling, we are going to add our rice and beans like I'm doing in the video. So guys, in few minutes, you're going to see the results of this delicacy, this Nigeria delicacy, the delicious rice and beans jollof. So before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about the video in the comment section. Thank you.